Ngisho ngathi wayesingabezwa. Ngikhohle ukuthi yithi kumele sikhulume. Good morning, guys. We are okay.
Sanibonani bolavo.
Sandela. Ngibakubona. Yo, uthi namazipho. I just swallowed a nail.
Ayinamazipho. Hey.
Hey.
That's not a nail.
What is it?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Yeah, but that's not my nails.
It is a nail. What babona? Well, I just found it now.
Kanjani? You mean like this?
No, other way. Yes. So now this, it's starting to look like a beauty spot next to another one.
Which one is it?
Do you know there's this one? It's not a beauty spot. This was
Pimple.
also a pimple.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember this one?
That one from
And then now there's another one next to it, and both of them look like beauty spots. They look cute.
Sanibonani bolavo. We hope that you guys are good, man. Let's just do this.
Man Lavo, do you have your own page as well? Yes, he does.
Man lover.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm so loving the Not in Our House episodes. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Baby came up with that, man, and it looks like people are loving it. Yeah, anyways, but it's in bullies. We haven't seen y'all in a while. Or you guys haven't seen us in a while. I mean, shy is like, come on.
When we finish food, we leave. We have to go to the gym. Mom Love, I have my own TikTok page. I don't have Facebook. Guys, don't be fooled. I don't have Facebook. You haven't seen them in a while.
Yeah.
We don't see them, God. So we're on a daily basis. Go my comment section.
Yeah, that's the only place that we see them.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, anyways, guys, things have been good.
Mm-hmm.
Things have been good. Small nje ukuthi we've come this far, you know. We just wanted to come and touch base and just check on you guys within grand Kambaganjan, you know. And we've had a couple of I've been like in the DMs and seeing a lot of people, yabo, kalangama relationships and stuff. Man, I'm hoping ukuthi you guys find a little bit of closure when it comes to that, to my relationships. And abanye they want to leave. Like I feel like it's women, ne? They want to leave their relationships, but they want to confirm if they can with us.
Why would you need to confirm if you should leave? If you feel like you should leave, it's maybe time you leave. Because especially with women, I feel like women can sense it. Like as a girl, when you start questioning if you should leave, you know what's okay.
It's time.
It's time to leave.
But I'm sure sometimes the opinion yoguti are they delulu na. They would explain like why they feel like, you know, it's cut so good in Mhlambe but re-evaluate certain situations. Because I realized, okay, there's this one DM. She was speaking about the fact yoguti she's the only one working.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Omo guy the time yena aspana and stuff like that. He wouldn't even like initiate by my young dates or gifts and stuff, and they've been together for the longest of time. So now she's working and she feels like the weight is on her shoulders and stuff like that because yena isn't
Wait, she was planning the dates?
She's the one that
leave.
No. I mean, I'm not gonna say leave, but
like baby,
reevaluate.
Weird pela. But that's not always the case. People want to compare their relationship to other people's. That's why.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
If somebody comes and be like, can I get an advice? That person is not coming to say, if you compare a relationship, that doesn't make sense at all.
What would you deem as comparing and genuinely seeking advice?
Mamlava umuntu amakangenzeli lezi zinto babulava kenzela zona.
But what if the way wena ungiphatha ngakhona is their standard as well?
Is their standard? Then they should leave. That's when I can say, okay, that means ukuthi la ukhona you awukho grand and vibe.
But isn't it still comparing?
It's their standards. You just said it. How would another person
then what would
start
comparing be?
Ngicela ukwenza le example.
I should reflect on
Oh, mhlambe phela comparing umuntu compare impilo yakho neyakho, like in this case they wouldn't come to your face and be ngathi they are comparing unless umuntu wena ukhulume ngokuthi, you know, my husband yesterday ungithengela ama flowers. Oh girl, mina ungithengele i-chocolate, ungithengela like now it's like, okay, I was not telling you ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi wena umuntu akuthengeleni.
But you know, today's society is self-centered, so everybody makes everything about them. So would it then also be still comparison, or is it just people living in today's time?
How so?
Like these days, people do that. Like
But
say something about yourself.
Remember, there's open conversations. Whereby you're telling your friend or whoever the case is, right? Like, oh, yesterday, you know, Prince pulled up with the flowers, man. That was a cute gesture. The friend, it's either also oh, child, that's so beautiful. You understand? Oh, man, that's really nice. And then we move. And then there's gonna be that person then also ufuna ukuthi wena mawuqeda ukuyibeka le nto na yabeke yakhe indaba. Athi, oh really? Why ungangitshelanga before? Why are you bringing it up when I'm oh, mhlambe it's not even comparison. Ukhohlwa ukukutshela. You understand? So it's really something else, man.
You are now engaged. Congratulations. Where was I all along? I'm happy for you. Well, I will see you are very late. Engagement ifedile ki nyalo no. Is nyal now. Engagement is child. Engagement engagement.
Now you can elaborate on your comment. Hello, beloved. How are you today? We good, man. We good. Can't complain much. When I want to buy like
she
shoes,
says some 50-something-year-old does that to her. Meaning, if she says, for instance, oh my husband or my boyfriend got me this and this and this and this, 50-something-year-old will come and be like, well, this is what I got.
So like, okay, how question how then do we draw a fine line of a conversation had between two people and now jealousy or comparison?
Okay,
you
can
understand?
I really answer this question? It's not that we're not consistent anymore on YouTube. Our Wi-Fi gives us problems. Like, it takes us approximately a week to just post one video. So that has been like a bit, what's the word? Demotivating. But we will fix the Wi-Fi situation at some point. So yeah. So there are three things, Nepe. There is Indrayelo. Yeah, my conversations were these days, where everybody is self-centered, so every conversation has to lead back to being about the next person, right? There's that, né? Then there's having standards, like let's say, for instance, somebody sees our relationship and they're like, no, that's how I want to be treated as well. They're setting a standard for themselves. So if they say the way it's not necessarily comparison. It is simply, but that's what I want.
Yes.
That's what I aspire to have. That's the standard I'm setting for myself, right? So there's that. And then there's actual comparison where...
Now I want to know a comparison when we want to ganja.
That, okay. So comparison, for instance, somebody who sets the standard of, I want a person who will treat me like Umam Lavo. That means Nami, I have to adjust my character to resemble Umam Lavo. I need to learn how she moves. So I also move in a way that embodies anything I aspire.
But that's the thing, right? As people, it's good to be inspired by other people. You know that.
Yes,
Yeah,
we're all
understand.
inspired by someone at the end of the day.
And someone is saying social media relationship standards is killing a lot of good relationships. I beg
Are
to
we
differ.
part of the social media
Well, I don't
relationship
know.
standards?
I don't know.
That's the question, because there are different types of relationship standards on social media.
And
it depends on who you follow and what you follow.
Yes, and funny enough, on our side, it's not even a case you go to ufuna ukubeka standards. You literally just living your reality and how you'd like to do things, right? And then somebody out there then depicts it as if this is a standard.
Don't know what I like though about the Labo family. We are never included in the shenanigans. They said, no, babes, this is not about you guys. So in the club, we all fam. So like when they say social media people, we're never part of the social media people. Like we're just
because sometimes that's why I feel like that's the case. It's because we don't also
carry ourselves
lie. We live a lie. I feel like sometimes abantu abaningi they live a lie. As if mind everything are puppies and rainbows and another thing in indaba yokuthi my relationships are perfect. Guys, my relationship you'll just fight for no reason. You understand? You wake up.
We had a huge argument the other day about pizza.
Yeah, and Goma yesterday, day before yesterday, she was not feeling good. Like, you know how normal human beings are. You also grandma, and all of a sudden,
I don't think normal human beings are like that.
Trust me, they are.
I don't think everybody struggles with anxiety as bad as I do.
But there should be somebody that is more like you.
I feel like that's not comparison. Get jealousy finished, because why is it that when I bring up something that my man did, you also have the need to bring up yours. Say that nice thing and move. Asiko is thing or fair.
That's fair. That's a great opinion.
And I had to learn that the hard way. Here's my analogy though. If I felt like in conversations I had to relate to people. So if a friend of mine would be like, oh my gosh, I just learned how to ride a bicycle. I'm like, really? I learned when I was 6 years old. But for me, that would be me elongating the conversation.
Okay.
We understand. I didn't understand. No, Nelly, it doesn't have to revert back to you.
About you, yeah.
Yeah, you can just keep it be like, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. And you.
Who taught you that?
You.
Okay, thank you.
Like, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. We move on, you know?
Yes,
so I had to learn that. And in my adulthood, I'm very ashamed to say that I had to learn in my adulthood, Guti, you don't always have to revert conversations back to you. But for me, it's where I grew up, how I grew up. If you say, oh, I got a pink t-shirt. Oh, that's nice. My favorite color is purple. So I think I'm going to get a purple one. Or I didn't really think you were into pink. You understand? Like, it's not Guti, I'm coming for you, but I thought I was elongating the conversation,
and of which it makes sense. You understand? Because then it keeps the conversation going.
Yes,
right. Most especially if you guys are close like that. You understand? But now, we as people are not the same, right? You need to also think about that, because we end up akutshela ukuthi uthengi iskip, right? Then now we end up talking more about what you brought up.
But that's the thing. I didn't like. I'm coming back.
I want you to listen to that part.
I'm listening. Hold that thought. I didn't think Uguti, when I bring up my t-shirt, that means you end what you're saying and you come to my side now. I thought we just go back and forth. We understand that that's how it just goes. You talk about you, I talk about me. We'll meet in the middle.
Yes, but sometimes it's not that. Sometimes you just listen to somebody and just give them an ear. It's like, really? So you really like purple?
I mean, I've learned to be a listener.
Yeah, no, now you're very great.
I mean, even no, this girl will listen. Like I will.
Very great when it comes to that.
Really? Oh my gosh, no.
Yeah, but I'm hoping
I don't know. I don't do that. I engage. Like I fully engage in the conversation.
Yeah.
So I've learned how to conversate.
I understand.
So
back to Abachita, right?
No, I was gonna go back to you asking me what exactly is comparison. I feel like comparison is when it has malicious intent. The other one. First one. When it has like malicious intent, meaning.
But how do you tell?
I'm not.
That's my thing. How do you tell?
How do you tell?
Because now, you were elongating the conversation and stuff, right? So then, there was no malicious intent,
yes.
right? But to a person, ongaboni solinye nawe, they will think umamlavo, that means jealous. Umamlavo is self-centered at that time. You understand? Hence I had to sit you down and be like, baby, I'm in a conversation, you don't need to mention anything about you.
And when I don't mention anything about me or even try to relate to what the person is telling me, I felt like I'm fully engaged in the conversation, therefore I try to relate.
You engage on their side so that whatever they are giving you, they can actually feel like, they matter. Sometimes, Pella, conversations now, you must know, when I come to you and tell you about something, engage on this thing that I'm telling you about. I don't want you now all of a sudden then you move not even sideways, you then turn it around and then you bring your story, because sometimes bold personalities, right? When you bring yours, just focus on command.
Fair.
You understand? As if now whatever it is that I said is none and void.
Null and void.
Oh, Shala. Yeah.
So somebody says, I think the energy will always tell you. But how exactly do you read energy? Like, imagine just a simple conversation you're having with somebody and you're like, oh my gosh, Yazzie, the other day my man came home with flowers. I was so happy. I was so da-da-da-da-da. And then they're like, oh really, Nami shame, I forgot to tell you. Prince Namung Tangela about chocolate and stuff. How do you read Wuti? This one is engaging in the conversation and trying to elongate the conversation, or this one is coming with jealousy. Like, how do you tell the difference? Because I feel like not all of us can read energies.
Well, we can, but the only thing is,
I mean, some of us see red flags and think they're pink. So I think if you do it once, it's really understandable. But if every time I come and tell you something, fair.
Okay, this makes sense. Fair. This makes a whole lot of sense. Yeah.
Why say when someone vents, I just bring up my past too, trying to make it seem like she can move through it. So it's like you're trying to advise. We understand, like, oh, and I'm like, girl, we've all been through. Doesn't mean this and this and this. A similar situation happened to me as well, but this is how I moved past it. So is it coming across as she's making it about herself, or she's genuinely trying to show the person that we can move?
But then you understand, Luguti, then there's two types of people now, right? There's two types of people. There's people who would understand that you are advising, and there's somebody who's going to be like, right? Now remember, in those type of instances, sometimes we befriend people or we keep people close to us and we don't actually know deep inside their hearts and their minds what's going on about
whether
us.
It was malicious or not.
No, about us.
About us?
Yes.
Or about what they think about us?
Yeah, as a person.
Fair.
As a person, you understand. I'm one person that vocalizes the way I feel about people, even brothers.
But can I be honest?
Yeah.
You picked up that confidence of speaking your mind more, like we became like when I feel like when
you came into my
character time rubbed off on you, whereas like I don't really care what you think, but in this moment, because you made me feel like this, I'm gonna tell you how I feel. You picked that up and now you run with it, and I admire that because you do it better than me now. Like, you let people know. He's very vocal about his emotions, which I'm proud of it, because it's like, okay, if we have kids, I know they're gonna learn. Even if umama, I will never punish my kids for something they didn't do. Yes, there are days where maybe I'll make those mistakes, but they'll be able to call me out on my bullshit because they're like, hey, mama, you told me to vocalize when I'm not okay, but you can't do that. Yeah, but like, because we communicate. But then again, somebody else might be like, oh, Prince Naye, like always, there's something.
I feel like as much as Prince Naye, there's something. That thing for me, one thing lento yako infundise yona, right? Is the fact you're good. I then remove the burden off my shoulders. Of saying, Maya's low ang party but it's okay, it's alright. You understand? No. Bro, ang patanga grand and I don't like it, dog. We understand. That conversation we had, dog, like there was no necessity for you to say this. Call me out as well. What did I do? Okay, sharp, let's move on. Siba grand. But if at all, because I feel like sometimes I stay too much with like I had a best friend which did fucked up things all the time, and I had this thing with but hey man, intwana, but inside I'm hurting. Right? Inside I'm hurting because of the actions they did on me. You know? But I saw how bad the relationship ended, and it ended. You understand? And the burden was still with me because the hurt was still with me.
You know, it goes back to you saying,
wait, we derailed.
We've derailed so far, okay, but I'm taking us back slightly. Yeah. So we were talking about how we perceive conversations. Okay, this person could not be coming with malicious intent, but it's the way they say it and the way I comprehend it when I receive how you comprehend it, right?
Yes.
So, you know, there's said girl who had a conversation with me, If you choose to look at it from a different perspective, on her side, possibly she was just being a supportive friend and a protective friend. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Where then boundaries became, I don't care about boundaries. My friend is not okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna.
So I need to give her the power. I need to boost her power.
Yes. So I'm fully gonna trash this one so that I can focus on try to make her see. I don't think this from the friend perspective. I don't think this is good for my friend. Therefore, boundaries are crossed. Forget rings. So we're just going into this conversation.
Say even the red flags that could possibly be there, so that she can, be protected and whatever.
We understand.
Okay, fair.
And including her past traumas, things she's faced, and now she's like, I don't want my friend to go through certain things.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Yeah. So that conversation could have been somebody else would have been sitting there and be like, this is a jealous friend, man. And then another person would be like, no, this is a concerned friend.
Okay.
This is a friend that actually cares. But how do you determine now, Wuti, what exactly is that conversation about?
No, the intent.
Yes, what is the intent behind it? Sorry, thank you. I was eating oats, guys. We don't have any more plates. Everything is in the fridge, so all of our dishes are in the fridge because there's so many leftovers.
But then now, okay. Anyways, let's cut that one. But yeah, Babla was saying, yes, I have a friend that careless about me, and I don't know.
That's careless about me, and I IDK how to voice my.
I'm not gonna lie, here's one thing I'm gonna say. If you've got a friend, a partner, or whoever that you can't voice out how you feel about something like that. But if unomgani or your family or whatever the case may be, and you can't voice out how you feel, then those people are not your friends or family or lover.
Yeah.
Honestly, because I feel like you also have this worry. Kakulu, you worry about losing the person.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like to you
somehow fear rejection from that person, but you guys are friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't I feel like rather lose the friend. Lose the friend because it's gonna teach you. That you are afraid to learn.
Do you know what I want us to learn, as a society? I'm not just going to say the youth, but as a society. Guys, there is nothing wrong with establishing boundaries from the beginning of an interaction.
Okay.
Meaning, if I see this person today, right, I meet you today, we are having a conversation, and somehow we're building a friendship, right? The first day is the foundation. That day is where you guys talk about trivial things, like maybe your favorite colors, the foods you like, the things. I want those trivial things to not really be the whole agenda of that day. Trivial means it's frivolous, like it's like it's 6-7. It's just like, okay, meh. Is meh better?
No, you're not making it any better.
I don't think those things are necessary to be spoken about at that time. I feel like in the beginning when you guys interact, Mina, this is what I expect from a friend.
Okay.
This is what I won't tolerate from a friend. That's
light things, okay.
Light things, yes.
Okay. Thank you for teaching us. Some of us, we are still learning, man. Yeah.
So Instead, establish boundaries from the beginning. Okay, show me. This is what I expect from a friend.
Okay.
This is what I want to bring to the table as a friend, and please hold me accountable if I don't do the things that I'm putting on the table. This is what I'm gonna come with.
Okay.
We understand, because friendships are like relationships. When we first interacted with each other, baby, I told you, I said, Shuti, I hate my husband's friend so bad. Straight. I don't understand. But when we first interacted, I told you, Guti, this is what I expect.
But
this is what I don't like.
Can I be honest?
It should be the same. It should be the same. For me, it isn't.
Mamela, okay, it's different for boys. You understand?
Okay,
as boys, we don't meet and decide. We are becoming friends.
Mm-hmm.
No. As friends, and I'm like this. It's a good conversation. Whatever.
You guys had like.
No. You know why we had that? It's because already I knew Felicity.
Okay.
We understand. So it's a different type of situation. I'm talking about a guy that I just met, and all. Even the next encounter that we have, I'm not gonna sit.
Oh, excuse me, guys. I didn't realize I was banging the table. I'm sorry.
You were banging the table?
Yeah, like Mankuluma, I kept doing this. So I banged this.
Oh, so yabona like ayikho lento ukuthi ngizothi itanga yabona mina tanga ke manje njengoba se wait no
you do. You say, like, I feel like with most of your friends you do occasionally remind them ukuthi boy mina I said ukuthi when you need me just holla and I'll be there for you. And
mamela but angikhulumi ngalezo ukuthi don't do sideways shit, don't do whatever. You understand? Mina for mina is I let you know dog. Mina I life in my brothers. We understand? That's how we do it. We don't do it like that.
Okay.
I'm for my brothers, dog. Whereby if you
and what exactly is the definition of a brother?
Okay, that's where I'm going. Okay. Right? At any given time, dog. If you are or grand, if you think something, if you are going to chunel, and a tanga give now in Jayam, never bolega span. When I'm out, I'll be calling to a phone from an guy. We understand. Now we're citing like if you are by the somewhere to mind with them in Spanish, say petrol. That's brotherhood.
Okay.
It's whereby.
Nigga basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kabangela as your blood. Shutima City brotherhood. Say canceling the friendship. As a sister, we are not friends.
Okay.
Meaning you and I will share the same blood. We understand. You treat me as your bro, and I treat you as my bro.
Okay. I have a question on that. Fine, brotherhood. You treat me as a bro. I treat you as a bro.
Yeah.
What are the boundaries of that brotherhood? What are things you are not willing to tolerate from that friend? Because multi-brotherhood, that means you're sticking it out through everything with that person.
Yeah.
So if your friend is now a cheater, are you going to be like, no, it's fine, this is my brother?
Wait, brotherhood. If I'm a true brother, ngizokutshela but you are flop manje. Brotherhood between me and some girl, if you flop uyangitshela. You are flop. And ukutshela nezinto ongafuna ukuzizwa. That's brotherhood. Brotherhood doesn't mean coddling, baby. Brotherhood doesn't mean coddling. That's another thing we need to remember. You understand? Ngikutshelile tanga ukuthi ungayida, akwazi ukungifonela, ngikutshelile ukuthi ungayida and then uyabhayisiseka.
Okay, fair.
Uyangithola? It's like my young brother ukama. If ngithe kuye ndoda into nakanje ngifrostana but akusinto ezoqala in the beginning of our relationship to say into nakanje ngifrostana.
Do you know why I say in the beginning of our I'm so sorry for interjecting so many times. I just had questions that popped up every now and then.
Okay.
The reason why I say in the beginning of the relationship, I feel like girls tend to lead each other on.
Okay, fair.
And
that's
then
true.
A week into the friendship, senya sabana. And sakwazi ukutshelana because senjwayezene ukutotosana. Does that make sense?
Fair. That
you understand? So for me, even with the people that I keep around me now, they will tell you that I said, call me out on my bullshit, like I'm not perfect. We've set boundaries. We've established what's okay. I like this, I don't like that. This is what I want, I don't want that. So if somebody feels like day one is too much, fair, I can understand that. Okay, I did that with you day one. I told you straight from just dive in and told you. But I disagree, my love. How so? You need to establish boundaries in friendships. Tell the people what you like and what you don't like.
No,
what you tolerate and what you're not willing to tolerate.
I agree. You understand? Like, I agree to it. Hence, I said to you, Guamayama instances. See, if a friend does something and you don't like it, Confront.
Stop banging the door.
No, it's my first time.
Do you want them
banging.
to shout at us?
No. Confront the person. We are under. For me now, it shows a level of familyship that you guys have. Because as much as umuntu angakwatela because umdelivara, mele makahlela one toilet azitafula. Abuya qabanga ukuthi but lento le ulontuzo uneli bekangitshela yona. Uyangiunderstand bekangayikhulumi from a bad place vele ngimphathe kahle. Ana onape on leyo nto ayenzile. Nawe if at all lento oya kuye ngayo aka feel good akabuye futhi sibe court food akhuluma uthi but you know what, it's 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 5 and then we reach the conclusion.
I have a question for you. Why is it that in friendships like Gasabanwa,
friendship yaziwa kusabana abantu basaba ukuluza abangani babo?
But then why don't they carry the same energy in relationships?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Because people take relationships like sometimes. I'm not gonna lie.
Nah.
That's why Tiwa friendship breakups had more than relationships. Have you heard that?
I have.
Yes.
I've said it as well.
Yes, people take relationships light. Because relationship, you know why people take relationships light? You can be a friend, you can be friends with someone for 11 years, 15 years. While calling each other's bullshit and all those things. But some relationships like for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, 2 years, 1 year. So obviously people are not gonna take relationships serious. We understand. Where else they know, oh, I'm gonna lose for the longest of time. No, they can't afford that. Hence, then they accept any type of bullshit. I'm from there.
Someone is asking how exactly do you start the conversation of establishing boundaries with a friend?
I know, I'm jealous. So friend,
how do you start?
Okay, hi friend, how are you? I'm hoping you're good. Morning is cutting, man. It
should be in an in-person thing.
Yeah, in person because na phone umuntu angakuzwa. Ungamtext nokumtext umuntu because sometimes
text you read them however
sideways,
you're feeling in that moment.
Yeah, umuntu ene be calm and ambonisa ukuthi mngani wami angili nawe but there's something ngifuna sibonisane ngayo. Uyabona lento ukuthi uzongifonela ngeenkathi ezinakanje. I don't think it's appropriate because ngaye inkathi mina ngilele and the next thing is spanini. Yabo ngicela ukuthi ungicabangele. We understand. Yeah, into nakanje nakanje and then mawuqeda uthi mngani wami probably nami ngike ngakunyathela ama cons.
Uyangithola?
No, probably ngike ngakunyathela.
Ablavo table.
Ayish, manje ngizoyenza njani ngoba ngikhuluma ngezandla nani mengangcono. Oh. Yeah, phela. You understand? It's a thing of okay, friend, probably nami ngike ngakunyathela ama cons. So yabo on that ngicela apologize but before apologizing even further ngicela uze nazo. Uyabona ngicela ungitshele ukuthi nami yizini engike ngastepa on your toes ngazo so that ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiziphinde.
And then also let the person know that you don't have to wait for me to tell you what I'm mad about this for you to tell me what you've been mad about for the past 3 months. Like I wanted to say something I forgot. I think I saw a comment that I wanted to reply to, but I forgot.
That's enough.
Oh, I don't like confrontational people. Yes.
Okay.
Why? Not lephezulu kakhulu.
That one, a friendship is like sisterhood, bro. You practically become family. What are you disagreeing about?
That's what we said, though. That
yeah, exactly.
People value friendships.
No. Let's not mistaken this thing, guys. Ne? Friend or mistake this whatever. Just because in it doesn't automatically make you friend and your family.
Yeah, that's what I told him to stop doing. If don't give everybody that friend title. They are acquaintances. They are friends, and then there's the family you create for yourself.
Okay. There's
a huge difference between the three.
But that's the thing. Remember, sometimes we do our big depth. Right? Our big depth. No, omunye umngani wami. Ecabanga acquaintance isilungu leso. Kusamele phela ngikhuluma mina ngendaba ukuthi asike sikhulume isintu. Mabathi umazela lapho umunye nje engimaziyo. That's umunye umngani. Let's say I've hung out with you a couple of times and we've had conversations. Uyangithola like enye out yami. Like enye out yami. You understand? Type of that. I don't know if you get it. But for me to say that's my brother, when I'm saying it's brother, you should know. No, that means I keep on my friend zone, so go my brother now. I understand.
I still disagree.
Okay, fair. And you are eligible for that. Do you understand? For you disagreeing and stuff. It's.
I still disagree
that's how you
because,
see.
like, not everybody deserves the friendship title. I mean, I get it. That's how you talk, but like, hey. Yeah, but that doesn't make us friends till we just hang out together. Even Dotty gets it.
Yeah, but I feel like you guys.
But you like, I feel like you boys, let me say boys, don't understand the weight that comes with friendship.
Yeah, because Tina get side in late. I funny ne I'm a friendship wama out and I'm a friendship wama ladies. Our fun very. You guys friendship I don't know ni bona as ni that's why I need to mean. For me now, once I call you my brother and I've removed you from the word friend. Fela mina even acquaintance. You can be a friend but referring to you as an acquaintance. You know that? We are acquaintance.
But then you're misleading the person into thinking they are.
But I'm not telling them you are mganwam. I've got your numbers. When I'm also because that's another thing. Acquaintance and then nini from chilla night. So why are you chilling with your acquaintance?
I mean, acquaintances can evolve into friendships. Can they not?
But that's the thing. I feel like that's the formal. We are formalizing things and stuff. Acquaintance, whatever. Mama bekahleza ngibuza. Yazi mama bekahleza thini mamkhulu. Mama bekahleza. Akekho umuntu onabangani njengalo.
Like everybody is your friend. Like we will be driving somewhere and somebody will shop up and I'm like, "Umazila pata out here why ngayazi le out here kole."
Yeah, because it's as much as sometimes gabang ngisengithi acquaintance. Then the next thing you know, acquaintance yang pelela exenjaya mamela ngisendaweni so sengiyaphuma so uthi kimi khani ngimazi manje seka keep endlini ngalesikhathi. Do you understand? That does it make sense?
Why is he out here that you haven't spoken to in 12 years keep on you?
I don't think we understand that. Please bring it up again. Guys, don't complicate their lives. Yeah? Okay, I don't think I understand you. Let's move on to other. But yeah, let's move on, guys.
Complicated? No, we're not. We simplify things. You don't need complicated because how is everybody your friend? How do you distinguish between the close friends and the different and the sometimes friends and
ngizokutshela uBhebe abantu abaziyo for sure bangaka.
Yes, I have 5.
Ngisho abantu ngikhuluma ngabantu abaziyo.
Oh, ngibaziyo, yes.
Bangaka. And then i-friendship yakhe sekile ingaka. And fair. Trust me, I like that. I would hate to have a partner that knows the whole of South Africa. No, I would hate that. We understand.
Not everybody deserves access to you.
Yeah, we understand. Hence, Mina on my side, though, if I can be honest, those acquaintances and stuff, I feel like as a cheetah.
That's like it's lost.
Mina, I know for a fact why those people are there. You know, sometimes no go baby athi think tele yathothi liyana ngihlanganise something. And ngiyahlanganisa leyo nto egcina sibe grand.
Is that the friend that you haven't spoken to in 7 years?
Probably.
Wow.
And angiyazi ukuthi hayi iplan izohlangana and uzo adjust. Mina sometimes that's how I look at it in terms of knowing people. I'm like, okay, le ngiyayikena eBlomari hayi chuna kanje le ngiyayikena. Nabo probably they know me with ish le ngiyakena ukuthi inga-adjustela into enakaje nakanje.
So everybody you know is a friend?
Trading friend. Bartering friend. We are bartering in this world. It has never changed that thing of barter. More especially as jitters, I'm not gonna lie. Say barter as jitters. You would hear Nini Ninyezwa Tiwa. So they wanted this other friend of ours to like he's a friend of ours because
Umngani wakho noma is a friend of a friend noma he's a friend you haven't spoken to years. He's your friend.
Umzwakhe umngani wami, right? But closer to Sam. So he best friend.
So he's a friend of a friend. But he's your friend.
No, he's my friend.
Oh.
Yeah, because we're singing a scale so I see one. Okay, my man, listen, right? So he was not there at this gathering in Tonto. So now then he comes yabo makafika uthi hey gents angimshelile lo mama lo ukuthi hayi ngiyabuya nithi phela labantu angidlali nabo mase ngiphantshela itayera lapha cabanga sengifonela umuntu engimgcine 7 years ago. You understand? That's why sometimes as bros we do prefer to see each other there and there. We understand ukuthi nanoma ngizopick up iphone ekuseni nje yamamfana ngiyaphayizise it doesn't seem or sound foreign ukuthi lethothi ayikhulumi nami all along sizokhuluma nami vandag. We understand. So we as jitters, man, we do it differently, man. And it's like we're playing chess. Nina emotionally, it's my friend is my friend. But you guys as girls, it's like if I can say you are my friend, I must be your friend, and you must not have any other friend. And you are my friend.
It's not like that. Do you know why it's not like
with
that?
With you.
Yes,
with
me. Me. One thing though, don't expect me to like your friends. If you are my friend and you have other friends, your friends are not my friends, and that's it. I don't believe in mixing circles. I really don't believe in that. Like Muhammad, leave me, you'll see me on my own time. Does that make sense? I don't think it's necessary for people to be mixing and mingling friends.
Yeah.
We learn because he's a friend of who, now he's a friend of mine and we are all friends. No ma'am. But guys, we want to love and leave you guys. We have to go to the gym before it gets late, because yesterday we went late and it was not nice. So
yeah. So
don't mix friends.
Share out, Buffett. It's all love from us. Sizobuya ngawari.
Moral of the story is don't mix friends.
Sizobuya, don't worry.
Gosh, yeah. Papa, I'm tired. Why is screenshot?
I'm gonna show you some.
Sis.
Sorry.